So guys, for the first step, if your microphone or headset comes with a software like my one does, then just go to your software settings and then turn up your microphone. For the next step, go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then select more sound settings. Once we're here, you want to go to the recording tab. You want to find your microphone. Double click on it and then go to levels. Make sure that you have the microphone volume turned up and then click on apply. Also make sure your microphone is unmuted. Now we're going to go to the advanced tab. There are some things that you can test here. However, if it does not work, then you want to revert the settings back to normal. So you could turn this a bit higher. I'd recommend the maximum you should go is a DVD quality, 48,000 Hz. Try this. And you can also untick both these options under exclusive mode. So untick both of these and then click on apply and then click on yes. See if that works. If that did not help, then just revert it back to normal. Next, you want to make sure that the application that you're using actually has the correct microphone selected. Next method, unplug your microphone and then plug it back in again. For the next method, there may be like a switch or a button you can press on your headset or your microphone, which could increase your microphone volume. For the next method, just do a simple restart of your computer. See if that works. If not, there could be a chance that your microphone is broken.